Welcome to Morocco, a land of enchantment. Morocco. Just saying the name conjures up images of vibrant colors, bustling souks, and ancient cities. From the majestic Atlas Mountains to the golden sands of the Sahara Desert, Morocco is a feast for the senses. Imagine wandering through the labyrinthine alleyways of Marrakesh, the aroma of spices filling the air. Picture yourself sipping mint tea in a traditional riad, the sound of traditional music washing over you. Morocco is a country that will captivate your heart and leave you longing to return. But before you pack your bags and book your flight, there's one important detail to take care of: your visa. Luckily, getting your travel documents to enter Morocco is easier than ever, thanks to the Morocco e-visa. The Morocco e-visa is an official travel document that allows citizens from many countries to enter Morocco for tourism or business purposes. Gone are the days of visiting embassies or dealing with complicated paperwork. With the e-visa, the entire application process is done online from the comfort of your own home. Just imagine, no more printing out forms, gathering documents, or standing in long lines. But the convenience doesn't stop there. The Morocco e-visa offers a multitude of benefits, making it the preferred choice for travelers worldwide. With a Morocco e-visa, you'll enjoy a streamlined entry process upon arrival, eliminating the need to queue for a visa on arrival. It's like having a fast pass to adventure. Plus, the e-visa grants you multiple entries into Morocco, allowing you to explore neighboring countries and return without any hassle. It's important to check your eligibility for the Morocco e-visa. The good news is that citizens from over 60 countries are eligible to apply. To check for eligibility, visit the official Morocco e-visa website. Now let's talk about the different types of e-visas available. Morocco offers two main categories: tourist visas and business visas. The tourist visa is perfect for those looking to soak up the country's rich culture and explore its stunning landscapes. On the other hand, the business visa is designed for professionals attending meetings, conferences, or engaging in business activities. Section 4. Applying for your e-visa. A simple guide. Ready to embark on your Moroccan adventure? Applying for your e-visa is incredibly straightforward. The first step is to gather the necessary documents. You'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining, a recent passport-sized photograph, and a credit or debit card for payment. It's always a good idea to make copies of these documents and keep them separate from your originals, just in case. Next, head over to the official Morocco e-visa website. The website is user-friendly and available in multiple languages, making the application process a breeze. You'll be asked to fill out an online application form with your personal information, travel details, and passport information. Navigating the world of visas and travel documents can sometimes feel like navigating a labyrinthine souk. That's where we come in. Our team of travel experts is dedicated to making your journey to Morocco as seamless and stress-free as possible. From visa assistance to personalized itineraries, we offer a range of services to enhance your travel experience. We'll guide you through the e-visa application process, ensuring that your application is complete, accurate, and submitted on time. Our team is also available 24/7 to answer any questions you may have and provide support every step of the way. With us by your side, you can relax and focus on what truly matters: experiencing the magic of Morocco.